In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to your ClickUp Workspace. If you're collaborating with teammates, clients, or contractors, giving them the right access in ClickUp is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through opening your workspace settings, finding the People area, inviting someone by email, choosing the right role, and sending the invite, with a few tips to keep everything smooth. First, open your workspace settings. Look to the top left corner of ClickUp and click your workspace name. This reveals a menu where you'll select settings. If you manage more than one workspace, double-check you're in the correct one before proceeding so you invite people to the right place. Inside Settings, head to the People section. Click People to open the list of everyone who currently has access. This page is helpful for confirming whether the person is already a member and for seeing who has which role. It's also a good moment to review your available seats if your plan has limits. Now you're ready to invite someone. In the field labeled Search or Invite by Email, type the person's email address. Take a second to confirm the spelling. Using their work email usually makes onboarding smoother. When you're ready, click Invite People. This begins the process of preparing the invitation. Before you send it, choose the person's role. You'll see options for owner, admin, member, and guest. Owners have full control over the workspace. Admins can manage most settings in People, but don't have every owner-level permission. Members are ideal for teammates who need to create and manage tasks across spaces. Guests are best for clients or collaborators who only need limited access, often to specific folders, lists, or tasks. Pick the role that matches what this person should be able to do. Don't worry. You can adjust their role later if needs change. Finally, send the invite. Click Invite People again to confirm and send the email. The person will receive an invitation to join your ClickUp Workspace. If they don't see it within a few minutes, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder. Once they accept, they'll appear in your People list with the role you selected, and you can immediately start collaborating. And that's how you add someone to a ClickUp Workspace. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.